Good morning, students. Today I am going to begin our new lesson. First lesson is the intelligent humans. Okay. What is the meaning of intelligent? Intelligent means wise. Okay. Smart. So let me introduce you to the characters of the story. This is a very interesting story. Children, pay attention and listen. So the first one is tiger, and the name of tiger is Mr. Stripes. Next is donkey. The name of the donkey is Mr. Bray. Then we have horse. The name of the horse is Miss Mary. And we have Rahul and Raji. These are two kids. Okay. So this is a very interesting story, and the story is about the humans' intelligence. Okay, how smart are the humans than animals. Okay, open your textbooks and turn to page number 5. In a small village near Bhopal lived a boy called Rahul. One day he was walking along the path to his farm when he came upon a large tiger trapped in a wooden cage. The villagers trapped him for stealing lambs. So once there was a small village near Bhopal. Okay, have you been to your villages? Yes, mostly some of them were in villages. Now slowly they are departing from their village. And there lived a boy. His name was Rahul. One day what happened? He was going to his farm. What happened? Suddenly he saw a tiger. Okay, what will you do if you see a tiger? You will be frightened. Okay, you will be shocked to see a tiger. So one day Rahul was going to his farm. Suddenly he saw a tiger trapped in a wooden cage. Trapped means it was caught in a cage. Okay. So why do you think the tiger was trapped? So can you leave a tiger alone outside like this? Okay, will you allow it to roam outside? No. So the villagers trapped the tiger in the cage because it was stealing lambs. Okay, it was eating the lambs. It was coming to the village. It was stealing the lambs and fulfilling his hunger. Let us see what happened now. Hey mister, cried the tiger as soon as he saw Rahul. I'm so thirsty. Please open the gate so I can get a little drink. So now Rahul has seen the tiger and he is very frightened now. Yes, everybody will be frightened on seeing the tiger. It is not a domestic animal, isn't it? So on seeing Rahul, this tiger cried out, Hey mister, come here, come and open this gate. I am very thirsty. Open the gate, I want to drink some water. Open this gate and let me go out of this cage. Let us see what Rahul will do now. There is no water here. Rahul was frightened, but he gathered some courage and said, No, Mr. Stripes, if I let you out, you would pounce on me and eat me up. So now this tiger is asking Rahul to open the cage and let him go out to drink water. So Rahul is not so foolish that he will let the tiger out. What happens if Rahul opens the cage? The tiger will pounce on him to eat Rahul. That is why he is saying, No, Mr. Stripes, I will not let you out of the cage. Otherwise you will jump on me and you will kill me. Never, said Stripes, acting suitably horrified. What makes you think I would be so ungrateful? I just want to drink water, that's all. I won't take more than a minute. I promise, he pleaded. So now what the tiger is saying? No, Rahul, I will not jump on you. How can I kill you? If you help me, I will be very thankful that you helped me, that you made me to come out of this cage, and I will not kill you. How can I be ungrateful to you? What is the meaning of ungrateful? Ungrateful means unthankful, not being thankful to others. Okay, if somebody is helping, what will you do in turn? Sometimes you will also help the other person. Okay, if Rahul is helping the tiger, what this tiger should do? It should drink water and go into the forest. But Rahul is not believing this tiger. The tiger is saying, No, Rahul, believe me, I will not kill you, I will not jump on you. I will just drink water and I'll get into the cage. Please open the cage. This tiger is requesting Rahul now. Rahul was a friendly boy. He easily believed the tiger and opened the door to let him out. Instantly, Stripes sprang on the boy with the idea of eating him up. Mr. Stripes, you promised you would not do this. So Rahul was a very friendly and innocent boy. It believed the words of the tiger. Then what did Rahul do? Rahul went and he opened the door of the cage. Instantly, Stripes sprang on the boy with the idea of eating him up. Then what happened? As soon as Rahul opened the door of the cage, Mr. Stripes sprang on him to eat him up. Mr. Stripes, you promised you would not do this. It is not fair of you to eat me after I set you free, pleaded Rahul. I kill prey for my food and it's perfectly right for me to eat you, snarled Stripes. So what happened? Rahul said, Stop, Mr. Stripes, you promised me that you will not eat me and now when I freed you, you are going to kill me. This is not fair, you should not do this. Then what is Mr. Stripes saying? How foolish of you. I kill the other animals and human beings and I will have my food. I am not going to leave you. It is snarling, okay, shouting loudly, okay, roaring and saying that I am going to kill you. After Rahul wailed for a lot of time, Stripes came to the conclusion that he would ask the first 3 people who came along that way if it was fair for him to eat the boy or not. Then Rahul started to cry. Rahul was very much frightened and he was very afraid. Rahul started to cry. When Rahul was crying, he cried for a lot of time. Then what did this tiger say? Okay, let us take a decision. Okay, let us come to a conclusion. We'll walk along here and we will ask the first 3 creatures we will meet. Okay, we are going to ask the first 3 persons or animals, whoever we'll meet on our way, we'll ask them. What are they going to ask? That Rahul freed me and now I want to eat up Rahul. Is this fair for me? Is this correct or no? They are going to ask the first 3 persons. So children, in the next video, we'll be seeing who will be the first person or who will be the first animal that they are going to meet and what that person or animal will give their decision and what they will suggest this tiger. Will tiger eat up Rahul or he is going to respect the suggestion of the person or the animal they are going to meet? Let us discuss in the next video.